Do you want to earn money while you sleep? In 2026, passive income is no longer just a dream. It's a real possibility. Let's explore 7 passive income ideas that actually work in 2026. Idea 1. Dividend investing. Invest in strong dividend-paying stocks. These companies share profits with you regularly, making it one of the safest passive income streams. Idea 2. YouTube and digital content creating videos. Shorts or blogs can pay you for years once monetized. In 2026, content is still king. Idea 3. Affiliate marketing with AI tools. Promote products online using affiliate links. With AI tools, you can automate content creation and reach global audiences. Idea 4. Real estate and REITs. Rental income or real estate investment trusts, REITs, can give steady monthly cash flow without heavy management. Idea 5. Ebooks and digital products. Write once, sell forever. Ebooks, templates, or digital guides can generate passive income for years. Idea 6. Online courses and coaching. If you know a skill, package it into an online course. Once uploaded, it becomes an income source 24/7. Idea 7. Automated online businesses. Dropshipping, print on demand, and AI-powered businesses can run with minimal effort. Outro. These are the top passive income ideas that actually work in 2026. Remember, passive income is not instant, but once built, it can give you freedom for life. Which one will you try first?